Hi, this is Jamie from Master Addons. This is an Elementor add-on plugin. It has a lot of free elements and extensions which are enough to create an awesome website. As it's a freemium plugin, you can download it from the WordPress plugin repo. If you want to get the pro version, then check the pricing page from our official website. Link is given below for both free and pro versions. In this video, I am going to talk about Business Hours by Master Addons. Let's drag this Business Hours element and drop on our page editor. This is the default look you will see after dragging business hour element inside your editor. And first I'm going to talk about design preset. There is 4 design preset: solid background, short details, and booking reservation 1 and 2. If I select solid background, a nice box shadow surrounding this business hour. Then short details. I recommend you to select short details if you only need to mention 2 or 3 days. Then let's navigate to booking reservation 1 and let's select an image. Okay, and now let's select booking reservation 2. And if you need button, just enable the button and you will see book now button here. And then button details. From button details, you can change the book now content and link button. You can change the text alignment from this option. And the button is perfect. And let me show you one more thing, the business timing. If you select default, then you are not supposed to change the day name. The name is default. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these all are default. If you want to change the content, then make sure to change custom table from this business timing. Now you can change the day Sunday on your own language. If you want to show title, just enable it and change the content. If you want to show day icon, enable it and select the icon. Let me select, okay, this one. Awesome. And you are seeing the clock icon here. That's all about the content area. Now we should navigate to style. From style, you are seeing raw style, the normal and hover. Normal, let me select color. Okay, this is a pretty light color, and on hover, let me select a dark one. If I hover on this and that, you are seeing the changes of how the raw style is working. Now if you need a striped, enable it, and background color, you can select background color for even and or draw. This is the default color. You can change it to anything. This, okay. Let me select black and the text color will be white. Okay. And you can do same thing for draw too. And the padding. This is the default padding. You can increase it or decrease it. Okay, let's make bottom. Okay. And the close draw, it's background color, day color, text color. Then the rows divider. If you want the solid divider, this is the divider, and make the width, or if you want the dotted or double, if I click on double, then the dotted one, dotted changes here. And now let's navigate to business hours. The day color, if I select the color, you can see the day color is changing. And then the typography and the hover. You can change the hover to on. Let's make it black. If I hover, you can see the change. It's red and now it's hover. Then the hour color. Let's make it hover red. If I hover, you see the hour color is red and the day color is black. Now let's go to the button style. Background type, you can select gradient or a classic color. Classic color, let's select blue color. And the font button text is white. Okay. That's all about the business hour element by Master Addons. I hope you got a clear idea on how to arrange this business hours inside your web page. So feel free to comment here if you face any problem on this element. Make sure to download, install and active Master Addons from our official website or our WordPress plugin repo page. Otherwise, you can't work with our extensions and elements.